Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn meaning of flat out. Flat out is an idiom. Flat out has a few meanings depending on the context. 1. At full speed or capacity. 2. Completely or absolutely. 3. Exhausted, informal. Let's learn how to use this idiom in conversation. Hey Sam, you look flat out tired.
I am. I've been working flat out this whole week.
What happened?
Our team has a big deadline. We have been going flat out to meet it.
That explains the dark circles under your eyes.
I barely slept last night. I was flat out on my bed as soon as I got home.
So no parties this weekend?
Flat out no. I just want to rest.
Fair enough. But you flat out promised me a movie night.
I know, and I'm sorry. I forgot.
You need to take it easy. Working flat out all the time isn't healthy.
I agree. But the boss flat out told me no excuses.
That's harsh. Did you try reasoning with him?
Yeah, but he flat out refused to extend the deadline.
Sounds like a stressful week.
You have no idea. I've been flat out busy since Monday.
I was going to ask you to help me move this weekend.
Flat out can't, buddy. I'm drained.
No worries. I'll manage.
Thanks for understanding.
Hey, remember that time we went flat out on the highway to catch that train?
Oh yeah. I was driving flat out, and you were shouting directions.
We barely made it.
That was fun. But seriously, flat out speeding is risky.
True. We got lucky that day.
I still can't believe I didn't get a ticket.
You were flat out crazy back then.
And now I'm flat out boring?
No, just flat out responsible.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Did you watch that new action movie?
Yeah. It was flat out awesome.
I knew you'd like it.
The car chases were flat out insane.
The stunts too. They went flat out on those scenes.
Definitely. The director flat out nailed it.
We should make a short film one day.
I'm flat out not ready for that level of stress.
Come on, it'll be fun.
I'm flat out telling you no.
Okay, I give up.
Good. I need a break.
Want to grab a coffee?
I'm flat out broke until payday.
My treat.
Flat out yes.
That's the spirit.
Just don't ask me to run anywhere. I'm flat out done.
You can sit. I'll bring the coffee.
You're a flat out legend, Mac.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos.